Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. So in this video I'll be giving you a mini tutorial on how to twist your hair. And this year 2024 I want to be very intentional about my hair, taking care of my hair and reaching my hair goals. So I kind of want to do a mini twist series or journey for the year. Basically I'll just put my hair into twist. I would wash maybe 2 times a week or monthly, then retwist my hair and style and share updates online. Okay, so let me know if you're interested so that I can have you as my accountability partner on this whole mini twist journey thing. So you guys should just let me know if you're interested, and if you're interested then I'll probably make a video or drop something. And I've done the back section. I just have this section that I haven't twisted, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of tutorial on the things that are going to help your twist last long. So let's jump right into the video. I start by taking down my chunky twist and going in with my spray bottle just to wet my hair a little bit. And you guys, look at that length. For the most part of this video, I'm only going to be finger detangling my hair because this is the Harmattan season and my hair dries out very quickly. And my hair tangles are not very quickly even after I finish detangling it. So this is part of the reason why I just want to tuck my hair away in twist. I really can't deal with the pain of combing and styling my hair this season. You guys, I think this is the first time I'm actually installing Minitwists by myself. I've done twist in the past, but I had people install it for me when I was relaxed and even when I started my natural hair journey. But this actually feels good. It's very easy to install and it didn't take so much time. And if you look closely, you'll notice that there is no tension whatsoever on my scalp and hair. And the twists are not actually mini, they are more like medium size, because with each hairstyle I make, I'm always thinking about the takedown process. So if I install those tiny micro twists, who is going to take them down for me? I really don't know why I was this excited, but you guys, take a look at the twists. And I know I was making a lot of weird faces throughout this video, so please kindly ignore, okay? And this is me trying to get a perfect middle part, as you can see. And you guys, part of the reason why I want to do this mini twist challenge is because I want to regrow my edges this year, because my edges are beginning to disappear. Anyways, let's get right into the mini twist tutorial. So first, I go in with my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I apply a little bit on the ends of my hair. I already moisturized my hair before this, and I also have my shea butter here with me, and I also incorporate that. Make sure you get out all the shed hair before you start the twist. And I usually start my twist by braiding 3 to 5 times. This helps to prevent your roots from locking. And you would notice there is no tension on my scalp. As I pointed out earlier, I am breathing firmly, not lightly, okay? I like to apply a little bit more of shea butter to my ends before I start twisting. Watch my hand movement closely. You will notice that I'm twisting each side of the twist before I twist together. Just watch my hands, okay? I twist more tightly as I approach the ends of my hair, and I don't twist all the way down. What I do at the end is that I apply a little bit more of shea butter and twist it around my hands. You also notice that there is no tension on my edges, and I'm not even braiding my edges in. Okay. After braiding the strand, split into two and twist each of the section before you twist it over the other one, and make sure you are holding tightly as you're doing this so that your twist does not unravel. Okay. You will also notice that I'm running my hands through each of the two strands. This is to get out all the shed hair and any breakage in there. This will make your hair or your twist come out looking better. And something else I do is to trim off the ends once I'm done twisting. I'm really trying to be very patient with my hair at this point, because why does it keep tangling no matter what I do? You guys, please drop tips for me in the comment section on how you handle your natural hair. And I also feel like I've been stuck at this particular length for the longest, but hopefully this year that's going to change. You know, when it comes to protective styles that help length retention, twists are always at the top of the list because it is so easy to install and there is little to no tension on your hair and scalp. And if properly maintained, you're going to really retain a lot of length. Okay. If you're scared of the shrinkage that comes with twist, simply stretch your hair using the banding method, or just put the twist into chunky braids and you're good to go. If you're yet to understand how exactly to twist your natural hair, I would advise that you just watch my hand movement and also try to practice with a dummy or someone's hair. You would understand better. And at this point, I'm exaggerating the hand movement so it can be easy for you to understand. Simply twist each strand before you twist it over each other or before you cross it over each other, and you have to maintain a firm grip throughout the entire process. Okay. Something I don't do is to separate or take hair from one of the sections midway. I don't know if you understand, but basically what I'm trying to say is once you start twisting the two strands, make sure you twist the two strands that same way to the end. Don't split one of them and add hair to the other one. You can actually do that, but it's going to make your takedown process more stressful. Okay. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you've not done that at this point. So to twist your hair, simply braid 3 to 5 times, divide into 2 strands, squeeze or twist each strand before you interchange each of them. Okay. So guys, this is the finished look and I am so in love, and Let me know what you guys think about this mini twist, if this is a yes or a no. In fact, just rate it all over 10 in the comments. And this was very easy to install, unlike mini braids. Just let me know if you're interested in the mini twist challenge, okay? And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also like this video, leave me a comment, and turn on your post notification, because I'm going to be posting more often this year, hopefully. Okay, and that'll be all for this video.